let's talk ads for Q4, right? The very first thing I would try to do is increase your Amazon ads credit. So Amazon allows you to increase your credit, albeit it's challenging sometimes, but you can still get it done. They typically charge you every $500 when you spend money with them. So you run ads, you hit $500 in ad spend, they charge your card. And then you keep running ads, another 500, they charge you card. Okay. Well, for some of us who spend like, 500 a day sometimes, that's a pain in the butt. So what you can do is you can contact them and you can ever so gracefully ask them to increase your ad credit. Now, what allows them or what makes them say yes, what makes them say no, I don't know. Sometimes it's luck, it's who you're talking to, I don't know. But you can get it increased to up to $5,000. So what that means, I'm able to spend up to $5,000 on ads before Amazon goes ahead and charges my card. This is huge in the holidays because it allows you to have just so much more ad spend done before having to pay off the card or anything like that. So that's always step one. Step two is having a cash reserve or having access to credit. Like go open up some new credit cards, go open up a line of credit, go do those type of things if you're comfortable with that, of course, right? That's not financial advice. But like if it's like, hey, I'm going to be spending a bit more money on ads, my credit card has like a $1,000 limit or something like that. This is the time to start calling around and seeing about where can you increase this so that when November and December come, you have the budget to fund your business. The worst possible feeling is this, and I ran into this a number of years ago, is you figured out ads, finally. You might not have them figured out yet, but you figured them out by October. And now you're making money, you're printing money with ads. But then all of a sudden you realize I don't have enough budget to run ads, but my ads are actually, like I'm making money with my ads. I can see it now because you're using Publisher Champ and you can see it. My ads are profitable. I'm actually making money now. And then you run out of money because you didn't plan it accordingly. You didn't plan to call around banks. You didn't increase your credit limit or whatever the case is. Don't wait till November for this to happen. That is one of the biggest blow ups you can do in your business. It's like self-sabotage because you weren't prepared for it. And then have it just in case you need it.